This is Sudhakar, you know that. Now I would like to teach about continents. Children, total how many continents in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. That is according to alphabetical order. Now I am writing. Continents. First, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, Australia. Fourth, Antarctica. Fifth, Europe. 6, North America, and 7, South America. Yes, this is according to alphabetical order, 7 continents in the world. 71% water on the earth, 29% land part on the earth. Out of 71%, the water part is divided into 5 oceans, and remaining 29% of land part divided into 7 continents. Now I am telling each and every continent in details. Yes. Now children, now the first continent in the world, Asia. Asia is the largest continent, and according to population as well as the size, both population and size. So now the area of Asia, 44 million square kilometers. The area of Asia, 44 million square kilometers. Now, according to area wise, the countries are below here. That is Russia, China, India, Kazakhstan, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Mongolia, etc. These are the countries according to area wise. Now, in Asia, total 48 countries are there. In Asian continent, 48 countries are there. Now, the China is the highest population in the world, followed by India. Now, the lowest population country, Maldives. Now children, the Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, which is the Asia continent. That is, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, which is in Asia continent, situated in Nepal. Next, the Pacific is the largest ocean in the world, and that is in Asia continent. India is situated south side of the Asia continent, and largest diamond deposits are in Russia at Botswana. So this is about Asia continent. Now students, next continent, Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Africa is known as Dark Continent. Now, Nile is the longest river in Africa as well as the world. Now, so Burkina Faso is the hottest country in Africa. It is at West Africa. The Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain in Tanzania. at Africa. Now, the Sahara is the largest desert in the world, that is in Africa. Now, the total countries in Africa, 54. The national animal of Africa, springbok. So, this is about Africa. Africa after Australia continent. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Australia is sometimes called as island. Now, the largest mountain in Australia, Cosio Sijiko, and the highest mountain in Australia, Mawson. Now, the largest river in Australia, Murray. Murray is the largest river in Australia. And kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Now, Tasmania is the cleanest air in the world. That is also situated in Australia. And Australia capital, Canberra. Now, there are 14 independent countries and 12 dependent overseas territories. And Australia is lying between Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So this is about Australia continent. Now children, now next continent, Antarctica. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. Antarctica is coldest, driest, windiest and iciest continent. Now, this continent does not have forest. Next, this continent have the 2 seasons, that is summer and winter. The 6 months of daylight in summer and 6 months of darkness in winter. Now, the national animal of Antarctica, penguin. So, this is about Antarctica. Now, Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent in the world. And Europe is the industrialist continent. So, this continent is bounded by the Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Now, the London is the capital city of England. Elbrus is the highest mountain in Europe. Volga is the longest river in Europe. There is no desert in this continent. And Brussels is the capital of Europe. The total 44 countries in Europe continent over this. Now, North America. North America is 3rd largest continent in size and 4th largest populous continent. Next, North America is bounded on north by the Arctic Ocean, on the east by North Atlantic Ocean and South Caribbean, west to North Pacific Ocean. These are the bounded by North America. And Denali, McKinley, highest mountains in North America. And the largest river in North America is Mississippi. Mississippi is the largest river in North America. North America is entirely North Hemisphere and almost all within the Western Hemisphere also. Now, the total countries in North America, 23, and largest cities in North America, New York, New York is the headquarters of UNO, United Nations Organization, and Mexico, Los Angeles, and etc. And the languages of North America: English, Spanish, French, etc. So this is about North America. Last continent, South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. South America entirely West Hemisphere and mostly in South Hemisphere also. The South America continent is also called Birds continent because in this continent not less than 1500 varieties of birds are there. Each bird, some lakhs of birds are there. Now, the shape of this continent like a leaf. Now, Amazon river is the longest river in this continent, and the total length of this Amazon river 4,000 miles, that is 6,400 kilometers. And Aegeus is the shortest river in this continent, and the highest mountain, Econegio, is the highest mountain in this continent. Now, the languages of South America: Spanish, Portuguese, French, Dutch, etc. And the South America continent is bounded by Caribbean Sea to the northwest and North Atlantic to the northeast, and east and southeast Pacific Ocean. So this is about South America. Now, some countries of currencies. First of all, our India and surrounding countries currencies. First, our country India currency rupee, Afghanistan currency Afghani, and Pakistan currency rupee, and Sri Lanka currency also rupee, Bangladesh currency Taka, Bhutan currency, that is Gulstorum, and Nepal currency also rupee, China Chinese yuan, Russia currency ruble, Japan currency yen. Now next to remaining continents, from each continent some currencies: UK pound, Europe euro, Australia Australian dollar, South Africa rand, Canada Canadian dollar, Brazil Brazilian real, and United States of America US dollar. So these are the important currencies, and this is about currencies. Now students, total continents and currencies you note on your book, and this is very useful and important to you. So thank you for listening.